And good morning, everybody. This message is for all students, but this is particularly for those of you, if you are absent, what you need to do. If you are absent, unless you are exceptionally ill or out of the house all day for a reason, I expect you to make up work that's being done in class or do a similar assignment. One thing you can always do is work on Foolproof Me. However, as an example, today we're going to be starting a new unit, and I've posted some assignments up in Google Classroom. You can do a worksheet, you can work on vocabulary, and you can do an ask question, although you might need some reading first with that. With the vocabulary, what I did is I posted words that are found in the textbook, and I've given you a text file. Okay, let me just actually show you here, and basically you have a text file here. It has about 13 vocabulary words. So how can you get to that? Well, I'm going to show you. What you want to do is you want to open up the textbook. I've just opened up chapter 6. This is found in your assignments. We've done this before. I'm actually going to do it for you now. You go to your assignment page, and you will open up your EText. So we're going to scroll down here. You open up the EText, and you go ahead and you will be able, once it loads, hopefully this will load quickly. So now the EText is loaded up, and you can go ahead and scroll through the EText. I'm going to have to manipulate it a little bit. Hit the next button. The next button, and you can see the vocabulary here is always in bold print. If you click on it, you can get the definition and you can paste it into the text file. This will be due on Friday. You need to read the text. Today we're going to be covering about a section a day. We'll be finished with the text by Thursday or Friday. So if you're absent, you need to do a page or two in the text, fill in the vocabulary, and you need to participate in the activities. So right here, analyze the chart. You need to look at this chart, and you need to try to figure out what's going on and what's being talked about, and be able to pick up where you were when we come back. Another thing I'd like you to do early in the week is you go back to your assignments, and this is for today, and you need to go ahead and load up the startup activity, which is right here. And it's a very simple activity, and what it does this is the startup activity, and what you can do with this is you can read the directions, read over here, and when you're finished you're going to hit the green check mark that's in the bottom, and if you have to submit something, you may have to submit something. You need to fill in the text box. But you need to participate in these things. Another thing I'd like you to do today, if you're absent, and what we'll be doing in class today, is I want you to go ahead and load up the flipped video. We've done these before. And it's right here, flip video on the Ancien regime. You can open it up and load it. Just hit there. Done this before, so don't act like you don't know. And if you're in class, you need to open up this also, and then you'll watch the flip video. There may or may not be an activity. So that's what you need to be doing this week. You need to look at Google Classroom, see what we're covering, look at the 3 assignments. You can answer them. The vocabulary is ongoing. You should be done with it by Thursday. The worksheet you can work on as you want through the week, or you can save it for the end of the week. That's fine, but it must be submitted on Friday. And there is also an ask question. I may modify that for those of you who are absent and may not get the full discussion, but you need to contact me. If you feel you can't answer that question, I will give you a different assignment, and you can go ahead and answer that question. But you need to participate in classwork. The world did not stop spinning because you were not in class for whatever reason. Obviously, if you're in a serious illness or if you have to travel, something like that, you need to let me know. You still need to make up the work when you return. Have a great day.